Where are we?
We're across from Ski-Bowl.
Fun. Rainy.
Beautiful.
Here they come. Oh, they're having so much fun. And there they go. They're 14 months now, something like that.
Something like that.
And they're having so much fun.
This is our first time in the snow.
Yep, first time. And they're having a blast. Whoop, it gets pretty deep over there. Rainy.
No, Roxie thought better of that.
Smart dog.
They are going to be tired. This is a lot of effort going through the snow.
Oh, they didn't see the bird.
Mm-hmm.
Those are Elaine's coats. Actually, her puppy's coats. There they come.
Here we go.
So, anyway, we're getting ready to leave, but we just wanted to remember this a little better.
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing us, Elaine.